Hi guys, good morning. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Today in Florida it's a little rainy, it's a little dark. But I wanted to go in really early to go couponing because early there's not that many people outside too. I'm trying to keep it safe. I haven't gone out like I mentioned. My husband's one who has been doing the haul, but today I really wanted to go in because he's been doing it by himself, and I'm like, oh my god, I think it's a lot easier if I'm there, if I do it. So I'll go ahead and I went in today to do the couponing. This video I'm going to show you a cash card deal. Most of the deals are freebies, and I'm going to show you how I did that. Of course, I was able to use some of my, I had a cash card from last week. I still had some money there, and I was able to use some ECBs too. But I got back in ECB $27, and also there's an Ibotta offer of $2. Everything went pretty smooth. The only one that I had problems with was the Nivea body wash. For some reason the CRT wasn't taking it, so they have to kind of do a manual thing there, but everything else was pretty smooth. Yeah, I didn't have any problems. You're also gonna see that I showed in the collagen, I showed the CRT for protein. That one did not go through at all. They could not override it, so you will see that it's in the picture, but that one, cancel it out because it did not go through. So but yeah, but even after that, everything came out to free, and I've been using that collagen and I feel like it's really working. So I really wanted to purchase that. So guys, I hope you're having a good day. I'm going to show you my whole exactly how I did transaction by transaction. I'm planning to do another cash card deal since I have two cards. I'm going to go ahead and do another cash card deal in case you could do this scenario, just so that way you have an idea which one might work for you. So I usually don't do two cash card deals in a week. I usually just do one in total, even though I have another card. But this one I really wanted to do it and also show you two different deal ideas. I haven't done it yet, so if I do, that will be a new total, which I'm going to provide all that information at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is my haul. Everything came out to $117. That was my total before coupons. It is including that second cash card deal, and everything came out to free and a nice money maker. So now let's see what the transactions were. So the first item that I purchased in store was the Revlon. As you see, this does say the total color hair color is going to be on special for $6.99. Regular price is $7.79. There is a coupon that is coming on today's paper, and the paper that's in is in the Smart Source. This is the coupon book. We were able to purchase our coupons today at the Dollar Tree. So we went and go ahead and open it and cut the coupon. It does say total color for $3, and here's a coupon that I use. But the good thing is that, yeah, there is no CRTs, there's no ECBs actually for this deal. It's just on special, so go ahead and take advantage of that coupon. But I had a CRT that printed last week. It expires today, and it's a 4 off, and it does say Revlon total color, so it has to be the same product. So what I did was I stacked the CRT with that coupon, and everything came out to free. A great deal. The other great deal that is happening this week, I wasn't planning to do the eyeshadow, the eyebrow pencil, because they were out of stock. Last week they only had one left, but this one, it was funny, they were in the front of the store. Luckily my husband found them, so we were able to pick two. They're at $6.29 in my store, so I purchased two. I used the coupon that is on the Smart Source, $3.22, but also there is some of those coupons, manufacturer coupons, on today's paper in case you need some of those coupons. I used two different CRTs, one deducting 3 that I got last week for CoverGirl, was printing for everybody, and another CRT deducting 3 off 12. As you know, the deal is for buying 2 you get 8 ECB. I ended up paying 58 cents in the register. I got back those 8 ECB, making a huge money maker of $7.42 money maker. Great deal. The next great deal I want to mention is Ardell. These are the false lashes. They're on special. Spend 10 and get 4. There's no coupons needed. As you see, there's different products, different prices to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and select 2 of these for $4.99. So I did purchase 2 of those. And right there, I was able to reach the $10. I was able to reach $10 after you buy 2. I used a CRT that I got that printed for me. deducting 4, and it does say Ardell lashes. I ended up paying $5.98, but I got back 4 ECB, making it just 99 cents. I wanted to do this deal because I really like false lashes, but in addition, remember that it does qualify for the beauty reward. When you spend 30, you will get free $3 beauty. The next deal is the one that I did mention at the beginning of my video. I did have some issues with the CRT. The deal is just buy an Nivea for $5.99. It does include body wash, and once you buy one, you will get a $2 ECB. So what I did was I purchased one. I didn't have any coupons, any manufacturer coupons, but I had two different CRTs. I had this one that it says 3 off Nivea lotion or body wash, but this one did give problems like I mentioned. And then I used another CRT that it does print this one printed at the end of my receipt, deducting 2 off 6 for body wash. So once I stacked those, if it gives no problems, it would have been 99 cents, but I got back to ECB, making it free, and $1.01 money maker. The next deal I wanted to share is another one that I had a little issue because the CRT that I selected, it was funny. The reason why I selected that was because when I was checking my CVS app, that CRT was showing and it showed that it qualified for this product. So that was the reason why I went and go ahead and I used that CRT. But once I was in the store, it did not work at all. But I'm not complaining because this is buy one get one, and as you see, the regular price is $15.49. So right there, it will be $30 if you buy both of them. So what I did was I purchased one. The CRT did not go through well. And then what I did was I had two coupons that from the Smart Source, I believe is March 1st. I used two of those, deducting $2 each. And I also had a coupon from CVS. I'm going to put the link so you guys could go ahead and print it. It does qualify for any vitamins. I just go ahead and I stacked it for this deal. I ended up paying $9.49, but I got back 2 in Ibotta. That's an error there. It's actually 2 that I got cash back. If you're new to Ibotta, you could just go ahead and use my referral link because they do give you an incentive, making it a final price of $3.75. But remember, they cost $15 each. I'm going to show you guys 2 different deal ideas for cash card. I did one in store, but then later on, like I mentioned, I went and go ahead and I did my other card. But remember, this is a limit of 1 per cash card. So I was able to do 2. I normally don't do that, but this time I wanted to show you 2 different deal ideas. The first one is Maybelline. As you know, Maybelline is buy one get one 50% off, and Maybelline is part of the cash card deal. I wanted to go ahead and buy some of the concealer. I really like this concealer, and as you know, it's $7.79. I'm going to be using a face coupon that it also came on today's Retail Me Not paper, on today's Sunday's paper. But I'm going to go ahead and buy another item that is close to that price, so I'm able to use another coupon, since you know that the coupons for Maybelline are a limit of 1. So after getting the concealer, I went and go ahead and look for another product. But in the meantime, guys, this is printing for everybody. This is a CRT. Remember, I mentioned in my best deals there's going to be a mystery coupon. I thought it was going to be $3, but I am surprised that it's $5, and it does say Maybelline Cosmetics. It does apply to L'Oreal, and it also applies to L'Oreal facial and cosmetics. So I'm going to use it for Maybelline, since this is also part of the cash card deal. The other item I want to get is the mascara for $7.29. And you know, that's the one that's going to deduct the half off. And I'm going to be using this mascara coupon that deducts $3. So together, I'm going to be using these coupons. That is going to be part of the cash card deal. The next item I want to get, remember, because you could just go ahead and mix and match, I'm going to be getting some of the Tide products, but in this case I'm going to be getting the Tide Pods. They're $4.94. I did have a coupon that I was able to print. I don't get them in my PNG, so I went to PNG website and I printed my coupon last night, because remember, they do expire pretty early. And I also selected an offer in my CVS app that is going to give me $1 for Tide Pods. So right there, there's a lot of savings. So I'm excited for that. So now I'm including the Maybelline and the Tide. So now we still need a little bit to reach the $30. So the next items I'm going to be getting are these 2 products here. They're both from Garnier. So you have the whole blends. There's different ones to choose from. In fact, I didn't know which one to get. I do like the Oat Delicacy. That looks so pretty. But I did try something that I have not seen before, but they only have the conditioner, the shampoo only, and it's the one that has ginger. But you just need to buy 2 for $7. And remember, there's a coupon coming on today's paper, deducting $4 off too. So I went and go ahead and tried this one, the one that says Ginger Recovery. I then go ahead and I use another product, which is the Garnier Fructis. They're also 2 for 7. There's right next to it. And I'm also going to be using that coupon that came on today's paper as well for the Garnier whole blends, and it will deduct $4. I'm going to be using a CRT that deducts 3 off 15. Yes, the CRT does say that it's up to 15 and I'm spending 14. I was going to use that 2 off 25, 2.25 off 10, but I did not use them. The reason why I want to use the 3 off 15 for hair care CRT is because I'm also doing the swap deal. So that way I kind of take advantage of that CRT. So I'm buying 2 of the swap. They're 2 for 6. There's a coupon that came last week on the Retail Me Not 329, and I also got on today's when I scanned my card, I got a CRT deducting 2 off 2 for swap. I wasn't expecting that at all, but I'm great thankful that I got it. So if you do the swap hair deal on its own, all you have to do is pay $1 and you're gonna get back 3 ECB, and it will be $2 moneymaker. Guys, sorry for the beeping. That was in the store and it was beeping like crazy while we were there. So what I did, but if you do this deal alone, it will be $2 moneymaker. But as you know, I'm doing this deal with the cash card because I wanted to take advantage of that CRT, deducting 3 off 15. So here is my haul. Everything was over $30 because of the swab. The only CRT I used was the swab deducting 2 of 2 and the hair care deducting 3 of 15. From the app, the only one was for the Tide. So after all those coupons that I mentioned that came on today's paper, I ended up paying $7.37, but I got back 10 cash card and a 3 ECB for swap, making it free, and $5.63 moneymaker. So this was such a great deal, and I feel like it worked better for me doing the swap combined, because once I purchased the Garnier, I only have $14, only needed an extra dollar, so I was able to use that CRT. Now let me show you another cash card deal idea if you want to purchase something different like the L'Oreal if you have this CRT. So L'Oreal is also part of the cash card deal, and it is buy one get one 50% off, just like Maybelline. In this case, I wanted to buy one of the foundations. I wanted to buy the new one, but they didn't have it in the store. These came on today's paper. I'm going to be using a $2 for face product manufacturer coupon and a 3 off to any lipstick product from L'Oreal. So I'm going to be getting the foundation, and then I'm going to be using this CRT. Like I mentioned, I used it for the Maybelline for the first cash card deal, or you could use it for the L'Oreal Cosmetics. It's going to deduct $5. I'm also going to stack it with this CRT that I have that is deducting 10 off 30 for L'Oreal products. So what I also did was I purchased 2 of the lipsticks, lip macaroons, and they're $9.99. If you buy the second one, it's going to be half off, so it's going to be $5. So with all these 3 products, you see I was able to reach $30. So then I used those coupons that I mentioned. I ended up paying $9.98, but I got back a 10 cash card. But remember, because I spent $30, I should be able to get a $3 in ECB for beauty reward, making this free. But with that beauty reward, it will be $3 a moneymaker. So guys, this completes my haul. I was able to share with you guys the different cash card deal. I am impressed that I was able to get all these items free and with a nice money maker. I really like that collagen. I've been using it and I'm like, I'm getting kind of low. So I feel like this was a pretty good deal and I wanted to share with you guys. So like I mentioned, everything was $117 in the register before any coupons. After using all those coupons that I mentioned and CRT, everything came out to free and $9.91 moneymaker. That is including that beauty reward, the only one that I mentioned for L'Oreal cash card deal. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you're staying safe. I hope this video was helpful. Any coupons or cashback offer is going to be provided below this this video, right below, so you could go ahead and don't miss out on those great coupons. So thank you guys for watching again, and until the next video. Bye.